Hello everyone, this is Team CookedLS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Rocket League not working, error code 0018 or launch failed issue. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start the video without wasting any time. So first of all, just go to start menu and open run and then type apps data and then follow the step as I'm showing you in this video. Also this will fix your issue.